Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soup maker blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Philips Soup Maker Blender. If you are looking for a soup maker that can give you 2 to 4 soup servings, you can consider this one. All you need is 18 minutes of your time to get the perfect soup you want. Gone are the days when you have to look for the additional appliance to get the soup ready for yourself. Now, you can use products like these to get the soup of your choice. The 6 preset programs would allow you to get the texture of your choice. You don't know what's inside a canned soup until you read the ingredients, and hence, it is a good idea to use the soup maker to make a healthy soup of your choice. You can get more information from the product details. Moving on, at number 4, we have the AICOOK blender, professional blender for cooking and smoothies, soup maker. This product is a high-speed blender that would be suitable for cooking and smoothies. It consists of stainless steel blades that can help you in handling the toughest ingredients. If you are conscious of the product quality, you would find it interesting that this soup maker is free from harmful substances. Even the glass jar of this soup maker is made of ceramic. You have to keep the lid of the jar closed before using this product. Having products like these is a blessing in the modern age of information technology. The use of this blender is not just confined to making the soups, but you can make the smoothies too. At number 3, we have the Gourmia GSM1150 Automatic Soup Maker. This soup maker is multifunctional and hence, you can use it for a variety of purposes. It is composed of stainless steel, so you can expect durability. If you are wondering how would you prepare the soup, you can use the free recipe book that comes with this soup maker. You can prepare a variety of items using this soup maker, as the use of it is not just confined to making soups. It is designed to be safe, so you need not worry about safety when using it. If you plan on preparing porridge, vegetable or fruit juice, this soup maker can be your suitable option. At number 2, we have the Smart Living Maker 1001 Soup Maker. Using this soup maker, it would be easy for you to make the soup in 30 minutes. It allows you to prepare multiple servings, so you would be able to save some time. Usually, when you are preparing a certain item, it takes away a lot of your time. The time spent in preparing a dish in the kitchen would be saved if you use a product like this. You would find it easy to clean, plus storing it would be easy as well. When you are selecting a product, make sure whether it is easy to clean or not. You can select from the 4 different settings. And finally, at number 1, we have the Soyapower G4 Soy Milk Maker, Almond Milk Maker, Rice Milk Maker, and Soup Maker. This particular product is suitable for a variety of items. You can use it for making soup, almond milk, and so much more. Hence, if you have been looking for such features in a product, you can use this soup maker. It is designed in such a way that cleaning it would be easy for you. Using this product, it would be possible to get superior quality soup. However, you can check the buyer reviews to get an idea of what other people have been saying about it. There are water level marks on the stainless steel pitcher that would eliminate the need for measuring water. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.